Hello guys. In this video I will show you how to optimize your PC for maximum performance. This is a tutorial for beginners but also advanced. This tutorial will help you if you want to increase performance, have more FPS in the game or want to have a faster system overall. So what will we need for that? I'll leave a link to these two files in the description of the video. One of them is just our optimization folder and the other one is to open our optimization folder. This folder can be opened without this program, but I recommend using it. So the first step is to download these two files. Click the download button as you see in the video. After downloading, you will have the following two files. The second step of this tutorial is to install WinRAR. Follow my steps. Okay, we have WinRAR installed. Now let's open our folder. Just follow my steps. Close WinRAR and open our optimization folder. First, we start with the CMD folder. We open it. Open File as Administrator. And do the same with everyone. Now a folder called debload. Choose whether you have Windows 11 or 10. I have 11, so I'll open the folder with Windows 11. Click on Launch File. As you can see, you have to open it as administrator, otherwise you can't. Creates a restore point and launches a window. Now follow in my steps. Now install the add-ons into Winodos. Follow my steps. Now we turn on the power plan with maximum power. Click on the power plan folder, open the S-Powers app and select High Performance or Ultimate Performance. Last, open the folder called Registry and select the size of your RAM memory and open the subfile. Last, open the other files as shown in the video. Finally, restart your PC and you're done. Thank you for watching this tutorial. How did you like it? Leave a like and subscribe and see you next time. Bye.